This is going to be a special one today.
My darling, I love you so. I can't let you go. You know that's why I call you my darling.
Beauty of Lake George. Welcome to Lake George Village, New York. I'm Sam Mallow and this is Sam Space 81. Today we're going to be featuring a special Bonneville. Very rare 1958 fuel injected model. Likely the most highly optioned Pontiac Bonneville made in '58. It survives today. I can't resist a burnout. Pontiac produced 3,096 Bonneville convertibles in '58. Only 16 of these 3,000 were optioned with the fuel-injected engine. This beautiful car has every major factory option offered in 1958. Twin bucket seating, air conditioning, sportable radio, autotronic eye, speed guard speedometer, power steering, power brakes, power antenna, curb feelers, emergency brake flasher. There were only 11 fuel-injected, air-conditioned Bonneville convertibles produced in 1958. Welcome to Fort William Henry. (1,125) Pontiacs were produced with a sportable radio. Look at the bright work, it's incredible. What a beautiful car. It's an absolute honor to see this car. I want to cruise in it so bad. Let's have a look under the hood. It's obviously had a loving restoration done to it. Authenticity was key. I know this car has a lot of date-coded parts. There were 2 papers on it that told a lot about it. Pinned to the front there. A lot of the literature stuff I've just read to you is from that. Look at the factory air conditioning. Generator charging system. There's the Rochester injection unit. What a beautiful car. I love the chrome. 1958 was a grand year for bright work. The Adirondack Nationals I highly recommend. Upstate New York is beautiful. Fuel-injected Stingrays side by side. Thank you all so much for following Sam Space 81. And be sure and stay tuned for the next video.